In the past 12 months, I added 6,000 new members to my free community and I grew my paid community to over $18,000 per month. And now in this video, I want to show you exactly what I did so you can copy me and get your first or next 100 members to your Skool community in just 10 days, guaranteed. I'll show you what you need to have in place before you get started, the exact content you need to create. I'll give you 3 methods for adding new members, and I'll show you some AI tools that'll help you speed up the process. And at the end, I'll share my favorite strategy so that after the 10 days is up, you can still consistently add 100 new members to your community every single week. So let's jump in. Now, this first step is really the foundation of everything else we're going to talk about in this video, but most people skip this because, to be honest, it's kind of boring and tedious work. But once you have this asset we're about to show you how to build, this becomes the absolute source code of your business, and everything else in your business becomes a whole lot faster and easier. All right, so let me talk about what this is. So what you're looking at here is our 10K community blueprint. This is the 4-phase system that I found is the fastest and easiest way to build a highly profitable and fun Skool community. Now, the first step of this entire process is to build out what we call the product roadmap. So the product roadmap is essentially your step-by-step process that you're going to take your customers, your Skool members through to help them go from problem they want to solve to transformation they want to achieve. There's a gap between these two situations, and your program is what's going to help them fill that gap. And so we have a step-by-step process in our paid community where we show people how to map this out. And really the big aha moment, the feedback that we get when people go through this process is that they finally found clarity around who they help, the problem they help solve, and then the process that they use to help their clients solve this problem. And once you've developed this asset, everything else in your business becomes a whole lot easier. And I'm going to prove that to you in this video. Now, the actual final document that you're going to have after you've built out this process, mapped out your product roadmap, is your step-by-step blueprint that you're going to walk people through to help them achieve the transformation that they're after. And each of the steps of your process, you're going to give in-depth context around each of those steps. And now we have a document, I call it the source code of your business, that we can take to AI and we can create all kinds of things a lot faster and easier. All right, so now that you have your product roadmap, I'm going to show you how we're going to use that foundational asset to create the next piece of content, which is going to be the key to attracting those 100 members into your community in the next 10 days. All right, so what you're looking at on my screen here is Community AI. This is a series of AI tools that I've developed for our paid members to help them implement the phases of our 10K community blueprint faster and easier. We have tools that help them to create their offer. We have tools that help them to set up their free and their paid communities. We have tools that help them to drive traffic both organically and through paid ads. And then finally, we have tools that help them to convert their members into paying customers a lot faster and easier. All right, so the tool that I want to show you right now is our free course creator. Now, I believe that a free course is the ultimate lead magnet to attract members into your free community. And that's what we're going to be creating to get your 100 members in the next 10 days. And we have a tool that's going to help you to do that a lot faster and easier. So let me show you how this works. Basically, what I do is I click this button and I paste in my product roadmap here, and then it's going to build an entire course out for me. It's going to build what goes on the slides presentation, and it's going to also give me exactly what goes into the speaker notes. Now, I did this ahead of time, so let me actually just show you what this looks like. So if we look here, I basically came in here and I said, hey, can you analyze my program and create a high converting webinar presentation that I can simply copy and paste into Canva? It came back, and then what I did, I just pasted in my product roadmap that I showed you earlier. And the output is this webinar script, okay? So this framework is built to give a bunch of value to your people that come into your free community, but it's also structured in a way that helps build desire and demand for your paid stuff and convert your free members into paid community members. All right, so this is essentially the webinar. It gives you all of the slides, tells you exactly what goes on the actual slide text itself, and then also what goes in the speaker notes. Now, once we have this script, we can actually take it to the next tool I'm about to show you, and then we can turn this script into an actual slide presentation that looks really good and professional. So let me show you how that works. So what you're looking at here is a tool called Manus, and Meta actually just purchased this tool, and it is hands down the best AI tool that I have found to create professional and attractive looking slide presentations. All right, so basically what I did is I came in here and I said, I need to create a slide presentation for this webinar. here are my color codes. My main color is this. My secondary color is this. I gave it my brand colors. And I say, can you give me a few theme options before we create the slides? And then I pasted in the script that we just created with Community AI. Then this thing came back and it gave me some different theme options to choose from. And here's the first one. Looks pretty good, clean. I'm a minimalist, so I kind of like that. This one's a little bit busy, but I also like it. It's not bad at all. And then here's another one that I could choose from as well. And if you didn't like any of these, you could ask it for more. I chose this one. And then you got to be very careful on your next step because it will just start to create random slides if you aren't very specific. So it did that. And then I came back at the end here and I said, can you just create all 43 slides as they are outlined from the script that I pasted in? Please don't make up your own. And then it took that and it started to actually build it the way I wanted to. And I'll show you kind of the final result here. So this is the slide deck that it's starting to build out. Here's the title slide. Here's the who am I, kind of building credibility. Here's some more testimonials to build more credibility, what we're going to cover today. So the agenda, so they understand the path, right? And then starting to show that you understand where they are now. So if you can show your potential customers that you understand the problems that they're going through, remember our product roadmap, and the struggles and pain points that they're experiencing, and the old things that they've tried in the past to fix those problems that haven't worked, and then you introduce your new way, they're going to believe that your new path is something that actually could help them get the transformation that they're after. So now what we've done is we've built an ultimate lead magnet that now we have all the presentation, everything we need. Next step would be to record this and then put it inside of your free community classroom. And that becomes the ultimate lead magnet that we're going to use in the next few steps to drive those 100 members into your community in the next 10 days. All right, so now that we have this key piece of content that we're going to use to attract people into your community, I think it goes without saying that you need to have your community set up. But how you set up your community determines whether you're going to be able to convert those new members that are coming in into your paid offers. And it's smart to have your community set up the right way from the beginning before you grow it so that you're ready to monetize those new members when they start coming in. And we do this using the free community funnel. So let me show you how that works. So this is the free community funnel. And basically what happens is we drive traffic from YouTube and Meta ads, wherever you drive traffic from. We drive them into the free community. And then once in the free community, we have these multiple different mechanisms that are working to book calls. And if you're just getting started with a community, I highly suggest that you book calls with people because you're going to get a lot of information by having those conversations. And a one-on-one call is by far going to be the easiest way to convert people into your paid stuff. Now, once you've kind of started to grow, you can transition from a one-on-one call to what we're doing now, which is a group onboarding call. And that works really, really well to help us convert people into our paid community. Now, again, once people come into our free community, they have to answer our membership questions. And we are asking for email address and phone number. And we're pushing that information into our CRM system. So this is working to book calls. And then they get our automated direct message in Skool. That's working to book calls. And then we have multiple other different mechanisms that are also booking calls. And that is one of our core ways to convert new members that are coming in into our paid stuff. And we're booking so many calls. Again, we had to transition from one-on-one calls to group calls. And that is one of the core reasons when we've been able to grow our paid community to over $18,000 per month. Now, if you need help setting this community funnel up, if you join our free community inside of the classroom in the resources section, you will find this community setup guide, and this literally will walk you step by step through every single thing that you need to do to get your community set up the right way from the beginning so that when new members are coming in, you're ready to convert those into your paid stuff. And you can also try out our community AI to help you to create a lot of the assets to get your community set up. All right, so now you have your community set up to convert. You've got the lead magnet that's going to help you to attract people into the community. But now we need to make sure the front door of your community is ready to get people to actually join. And so that front door of your community is your about page. So we need to make sure that your about page is following a proven formula to convert the visitors that land on your about page to join your community. And to do that, we've created a tool in Community AI that will actually write your about page for you. So this is our about page auditor, and I'll show you kind of how this works. So in our program, basically one of the tools that we have will take your product roadmap and turn that into an irresistible offer. So what we do with the About page auditor is we come in here and we paste in the irresistible offer, and it will turn that into a high converting About page. And you can see this is an About page that uses a proven framework that this tool is trained on to write the copy for your About page. And now you'll have a About page that's ready to convert people that you attract to your About page and get them to actually join your community. And then they'll start going through your community funnel so that you can convert them into your paid stuff. Now, this last step is probably the most important step of the entire process, because you can have the perfect lead magnet, you can have the highest converting community, but without a way to drive traffic to that community, you're going to have 0 members. So I'm going to give you 3 ways to drive traffic to your community to get those first 100 members. So the first way to drive traffic and get those first members in is to reach out to your inner circle. So this is the hottest people on your list, your friends, maybe some family members, and the hottest prospects that you know would be a good fit for this community, and just simply text them and invite them into the community, maybe even send an email. And so that is going to give you an initial group of people that are close to you that will help you to install the culture into the community and create that first engagement that's needed to kind of kick off the community. The next layer is your warm list. So this is your email list and your social media following. So let me show you a tool that we've used to actually create a launch series for you that you can use to send via text, email, and social media posts to invite that warm audience into your community. So we're in Community AI. If we go and we expand the free community folder and we go to the free community launcher here, this is a tool where we can basically paste in our About page, and it will write a series of social media posts and emails that we can send to our list, post on social media, and also text message that we can use to invite our warm list. Those are our people on our email list and also on our social media following, to invite them into our community. And that's that second layer of traffic that's going to help us to get that first 100 members in the next 10 days. All right, so these first 2 traffic methods are going to help you to get your initial members into your community. It's going to help you to establish the culture of the community and get that initial engagement to kind of kick off the community and make it look like it's active, right? And depending on how big your email list is and how big your following is, your social media following, you could hit that 100 member goal that we're trying to hit with this video. But this last traffic strategy, if implemented correctly, will guarantee that you get 100 new members into your community in the next 10 days without question. So how does this work? Well, you have your free course lead magnet that you're going to use to attract people to the community. We have our About page that's optimized to convert that traffic into actual members. And then you have your community funnel set up to actually get people on a call so that you can convert them into your paid offers. All right, so if all this stuff is set up, we are ready to drive as much traffic to that About page as possible. And the fastest and easiest way to do that is using ads. And so we've developed an AI tool in Community AI that will take the free course that we created earlier and turn that into high converting ad copy that's using a proven framework that we use every time we launch a brand new ad campaign. So let me take you over to Community AI and let's show you how it works. So we're back at Community AI. If we expand the paid traffic folder here, we have a tool called the Facebook Ad Copywriter. And so we used this earlier with one of our done-for-you clients. He is a professional golfer, and he's launching a brand new community for advanced golfers to help them shave 1 to 2 shots off of their round. All right, so basically what we did first was we went and we created the free course script that we showed you how to do earlier. And then we took that and we pasted it into this tool. We answered a few simple questions, and then this came back with high converting ad copy using our proven framework for writing ads. And so now we can take this ad copy, we can set up some very simple ad campaigns that run right to the About page, which is optimized to convert that traffic into members. And now we also have that community funnel set up to get those people on a call and convert them into our paid stuff. So not only are we going to be able to grow our community and get that first 100 members really fast, we also have a system that's set up to convert those people into our paid stuff. And so if we can convert some of those 100 members, we can keep running those ads, reinvest our profit into these ads. And that's how you're going to consistently add 100 plus new members to your community every single week. And that's what we've done to grow our community to 6,000 people in the past 12 months and help us to grow our paid community to $18,000 a month. Now, the strategy I just shared with you is going to ensure that you consistently grow your community over time. But again, you want to have your community optimized to convert those new members into paying customers. So what I've done is I've created 2 videos that I'm going to drop in the description that are going to help you to set up that community funnel and explain how it works to help you to book calls. So check those out, and we'll see you in the next video.